Hi there, Nick from AZInsight. In this video, we will be looking at understanding how sub-accounts in AZInsight work. We will be looking at what they are for, what they are not for, what features sub-accounts do not have, where to create sub-accounts, and answer some frequently asked questions. So let's get started. Sub-accounts are for you to access AZInsight on multiple computers, for example, so you can be logged into a laptop in the office and a laptop in the house at the same time. Or team members who are working with you or for you, such as a virtual assistant. Sub-accounts are not for a friend or team member who is also a seller who has a separate seller ID and MWS and needs his or her own copy of AZInsight. What features are missing from a sub-account? A sub-account does not have the ability to set the calculator settings or variation and stock checker settings. What can a sub-account do? A sub-account has access and the ability to use all the functions that the main account does, including the calculator, variations viewer, stock checker, export to Google Sheets, and access to all the plugins. Sub-accounts are created by the owner of the account from the AZInsight web portal found at https://app.azinsight.com. Each pro subscription to AZInsight gets a total of 2 sub-accounts along with the main account, which is a total of 3 usable accounts. Additional sub-accounts can be purchased on the AZInsight web portal. Frequently asked questions. What is the purpose of having sub-accounts? Sub-accounts allow us to control the usage of AZInsight within fair usage and prevent abuse of accounts. How many sub-accounts can I create if I'm on the Pro plan? Each AZInsight Pro account comes with a total of 3 accounts. One is the main, the 2 other ones are the sub-accounts. Can I create a sub-account and give it to a coworker who is also another seller so they can use a separate account with their own Amazon seller ID and MWS? No, each AZInsight Pro subscription is tied to one seller ID and MWS. We cannot add multiple seller IDs or MWS tokens to one subscription. Can a sub-account be used on the same computer as the main account? Yes, but a sub-account is designed to be used on a separate machine. You can technically use it on the same machine, but using separate Chrome profiles. And that about covers it for this video. If you have any questions, reach out to a customer champion at support.azinsight.com.